Hey guys, how's it going? How to troubleshoot common Bluehost errors. So first of all, go ahead to the official website, make sure that you buy the best plan, and if you want the best plan, visit the link in the description box. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the official website, and if you want to troubleshoot 400 errors, you can check the core files. To begin, you will need to log into your Bluehost account manager. Once logged in, click the hosting tab from the site navigation menu to the left. Locate the website with the error that you're troubleshooting and click settings. Click the security tab from the horizontal menu. Scroll down to the check core WordPress file section and then click as scan core files. Okay. And if you want to know how to access a Bluehost account manager, go ahead to the official website of Bluehost and then just log in with your account, with your plan and everything, and you're gonna be able to basically fix that problem. And if you want to know how to access your website, let me show you. Basically, this is your Bluehost dashboard, right? And you can click the hosting, and not hosting, basically you could go ahead and click the website, and then you could go to you could click the hosting and then basically go to your domain, and from there you're gonna be able to click security at the top above next to the overview right here, and then see if there is a problem to fix. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.